Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have another Android watch. In this video we are going to unbox and review the HK Ultra 1 watch. It's an Android watch and as advertised it is running Android version 13.1 and it also supports a SIM card and 4G and 5G connectivity. This watch also comes with a camera on the right side, and in this video we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features. These videos take a lot of work and time, and I see a lot of you are still not subscribed to the channel, so I would really appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button before starting the video, and if the video turns out to help you, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. So let's get right into it, and first of all let's find out what comes inside its box, and after that we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features. So here's the box. It mentions that it comes with AMOLED display, Android and 4G network. Let's open it. First of all, inside it we have the user manual to get you started with the smartwatch. Then we get the magnetic charger inside it. After that we have two straps inside the box. We have the ocean strap and the trail loop. Then we have this card to get the SIM tray out of the smartwatch and insert your SIM card inside it. And in the end we have the HK Ultra 1 Android watch. So here is the first look on the smartwatch. First of all, talking about the body material, it is plastic, it is not metallic. We also do not have the GPS antenna design on the body, although this watch does come with GPS inside it. The additional holes also look like they are closed, and the speaker holes also seem to be bigger as compared to the Apple Watch Ultra. As advertised, the body dimensions are 49.1mm into 43.6mm into 13.4mm, and if you use an Apple Watch Ultra 2 case on it, then actually it does fit it, but you can see that the action key size is not the same because it's actually not an action key, it's the SIM tray. The speakers hole, as I said earlier, are bigger, and on the microphone hole we have the camera, because of which you can probably not use Apple Watch Ultra case on the body. The color is also not exactly the same as the Apple Watch Ultra, it is a little bit darker. And here we have the crown key. You can use it for changing the watch faces, and you can also use it for scrolling. It can also be used as a back key. Then we have this side key which can be used to turn off the display and to turn it back on, and you can also press and hold it to go to the home screen, access the app history, shut down the watch and to restart the watch. And on the top you can also use it to adjust the volume level. After that we have the camera here. We will take a closer look on all of the camera features later in the video. On the left side we have the SIM tray here, so you can use this card, insert it here and get the SIM tray out like this. As advertised, it supports 4G and 5G network. On some places it is advertised to only come with the 4G network, and it is also mentioned that the HK Ultra 1 watch is not supported in North America and South America. Let me put it back in, we will test it later in the video. If you look at the back side, we have a style quite similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. We get the real screws here. Then we have the strap locks here, and the strap locks are real and the straps won't move, and to get the straps out you will have to press this button and then push the straps out. And as far as I've checked, it is compatible with all of the Apple Watch Ultra straps. And here's how the smartwatch looks on the wrist with the straps included inside the box. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, on the back side we get the magnetic charging points and the health sensors. We're surely gonna be testing the health sensors later in the video. It is said to be IP67 7 level waterproof, so you can use it while washing hands or while in rainy days, but it is not recommended to be used while taking bath or while swimming. Now let's talk a bit about the hardware. Talking about the chipset, it is advertised to come with Zonrai SL8541E chip inside it, and overall the chip performance is quite good. The scrolling in the smartwatch, then even opening the applications like Play Store is quite quick, as you can see. And so far I haven't faced any freezing issue, any restarting issue or any such issue in the watch. Now let's talk about the RAM and the storage capacity. If you go all the way down to system and then go to about watch, then as you can see here, it is showing that it comes with 3GB of RAM, and as far as I've checked, the overall speed of the watch is quite good. And if you go to storage, then it comes with a storage capacity of 32GB, so you can store as many songs as you want and connect wireless earbuds directly with it and use it as an MP3 player whenever you want. After that, as advertised, it comes with Android version 13.1. I've confirmed it from many places, but if you go to system, in the about of this watch, it is nowhere mentioning the Android version. That's why I can't actually confirm it, but as far as I've checked in the Play Store, it supports most of the applications, and so far I haven't found any main application which is not supported by this watch. A lot of people also ask about developer options. As far as I've checked, you cannot enable developer options in it. To confirm that, if you go to system and here scroll down to about watch, and then if you tap on build number, it is not allowing me to enable developer mode. And now let's talk about connectivity. First of all, in the network and internet, we have Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi connectivity and the range in it is as good as my smartphones and even my Mac. It is able to detect all of the networks which are detected by my Mac or my smartphones, and the speed is also as good as them. And now it's time to insert a SIM card. After inserting the SIM card, you will need to restart the watch to get the network working. So here you can see that the network is now detected, and you can see that it is showing the 4G connectivity. So there is no network in Pakistan which supports 5G as of now, so that's why I cannot test 5G. Then if you go to settings and go back to mobile network, then in mobile network, if you scroll down to advanced, then it also has Wi-Fi calling, then voice over LTE, and you can also use the automatically select network option here. Then if you go back, after that we have the hotspot and tethering option here. We have USB tethering, then USB PC internet here, Wi-Fi hotspot, and we also have Bluetooth tethering option here. And in the end, we also have the airplane mode option here. After that, if you go to connected devices, it can also connect with devices using Bluetooth. As advertised, it comes with Bluetooth version 5.1, and do remember that this Bluetooth network is only used to connect with other devices. You cannot use it to connect with a watch application, as this is an Android watch and it does not require an application to work. So using this feature, you can connect your wireless earphones with it and use it as an MP3 player. And other than that, you can also use it to transfer files and data. Then we have USB and quick share option here. Then if you go to system and go to language and input, so since this watch is based on Android, so it supports almost all of the languages. There are many shown here as you can see, so in my opinion the language won't be an issue for you. And now it is time to talk about the display. As advertised, it comes with a 2.02 inches display, and the display type is AMOLED, and as far as I've checked in the dark, it actually comes with a true AMOLED display as it doesn't emit light in the dark. The screen resolution as mentioned on the box is 485 into 520, and overall the text and picture clarity is just too good on this watch. The display is also too smooth, and the AMOLED display also adds great colors in the watch. And if you choose a bright watch face to look at the bezel size, then here's a look at the bezel size. Even though the bezels are a little bit thicker, but it is even from all of the sides. Let's take a quick look at all of the watch faces inside it. So these were all of the built-in watch faces. So most of the watch faces in the watch are themed, and you can just tap on the display to change the theme. And the watch face showing applications are also interactive, and you can directly access the applications shown on them. If you want to use your own picture from the gallery as a watch face, then you will have to move to this watch face, then tap on this edit icon, and then you can select a downloaded picture or a captured picture and use it as a watch face. So now you can see that this picture has been set as a custom watch face. Another thing that I really like in it is that even though it has a crown key, you can tap and hold and then tap on this lock icon to lock the watch face. Then even if you use the crown key in any direction, it won't change the watch face. Then on the home screen we get the control center, then we have the split screen. From right to left we have the applications menu, and from bottom to top we have the notifications. Other than that, if you talk a bit more about the theme, we also have the suspension touch or the assistive touch option here. You can use it to adjust the volume level on any application. Then you can also use it to adjust the brightness, and you can also use it to flip the camera when you're using the camera application. Then talking about the menu styles, we get the honeycomb menu style in it. It is the watchOS 9 style. You can tap here and select the honeycomb 2 to select the watchOS 10 honeycomb menu style, which has the vertical movement. Taking a look at the other menu styles, we get the list view here. Then we have the random menu styles like the 3x3 grid, then we have the 3x3 grid again, and after that we have 2x2 grid, then 2x2 grid with vertical movement, then 7x1, and then we have circle and the wheel menu style. For ease of use, I prefer the list view because in it all of the applications have their name next to the icon. And now talking about the screen time, if we go to settings and here scroll down to display, then if you scroll down to advanced, we have the sleep option here. It has the never option here, which means the display can stay forever on the watch face until the battery dies. But considering it's an Android watch and it already drains a lot of battery because it has to run many applications in the background, I wouldn't recommend you to use it. And it also has the night light option here. You can also adjust the display size as well as the font size in it. One thing which might break your heart is that it does not come with a screen of dial, and when the screen time ends or you press this button, it will directly turn off the display. It does come with the raise to wake option to wake up the display, and it also has the palm gesture to turn off the display. To turn these options on or off, you can go to settings and go to display, and here we have palm press off the screen and raise wake up option. You can also add a passcode in the smartwatch. For that, go to security and location. Here you can scroll down and we have the screen lock option here, so you can add a passcode here. I'm gonna set it 4 times 0, then confirm it, and now it is saved. After that, if I turn off the display and then turn it back on, I'll have the lock screen here, so you'll have to swipe up and then enter the passcode. As far as I've checked, unlike the S9 Ultra 4G or the S9 Cellular or the S16A, it does not come with the face unlock option. It might be because it has camera on this side, while on the S9 Cellular watch, you can get the camera out from the crown key, then move it towards your face and easily unlock the display, but it will be quite impossible to unlock the screen by moving the watch like this on your wrist. And now let's talk about the applications. So first of all, we have the camera application here, and in my opinion the camera is on quite an odd position, but it is on a quite dangerous position too, as it can be secretly used. Overall, the camera quality is quite good, and I wouldn't expect more in this price range and in such a small body. Then if you talk about the video, then the video recording is also really good. You can see that the overall movement, the picture clarity and everything is also good. And if you end the recording and go hear it, the video recording is also really good. Then you can see that even the microphone as well as the speaker in the watch is really good. If you go to gallery, we also get a sample video here, and if you play it, so you can see that the volume level is really high in it. After that, it also comes with built-in GPS inside it, and if you scroll down, I have also downloaded the Google Maps application and search a location. For example, I'm gonna search for Islamabad and let's find the directions. So just like this, it will start the navigation. So you can see that it has starting showing me the directions and everything. So it is quite amazing, and you can easily turn on the map on your wrist and also turn on the sound feedback and follow the path easily. Other than that, using the Play Store, you can download many Android applications in it. I've installed a few like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp Business, Spotify and the Google Maps. So you can use these applications normally just like any other Android device. You can set up your WhatsApp Business profile here, and if you want to link your device with it, you can tap here and link it as a companion device. I've also installed YouTube in it. So here I'm gonna search for my channel. Here it is. So let's play a video. So here you can see that it has starting playing the video. So just like any smartphone, you can swipe up to move it to full screen, and here you can see that you can also watch YouTube videos on it. So even if your smartphone is not charged, you can easily watch my videos on the watch. Then if you talk about the health related applications, we get the heart rate checker in it, although it also mentions blood oxygen, but I can only see the heart test here and I couldn't find the blood oxygen application in it. So if you try it with the trail loop at the back and start the test, it does not mirror the data and gives the error that please restart the check. And if I try it in the air, it gives the same error in the air, which means that it has proximity sensor as well as wear detection. But if I try with my fingers at the back, when the test finishes, it shows the values, which means that it has wear detection as well as proximity sensor. Talking about the applications for the sports enthusiasts, we have the stopwatch in it. So you can tap here to start the stopwatch and tap here to add as many laps as you want. You can also go back while using the stopwatch, and when you open the stopwatch application again, it would have reset it to 0, which means that you should stay on the stopwatch screen when you are using it. Then we also have the pedometer application in it. So let me take a few steps in the room to see if pedometer works fine or not. So I'm back now, and I took around 40 steps in the room and it has counted 33 steps. Do you remember that I was holding the smartwatch still in my hands during this whole time? And this was just casual walking in the room, and the results will obviously vary when walking or running outside. Other than that, if you take a look at all of the applications, we have the phone application here, and just like any other Android device, you can use your SIM card to call on any number you want. You can also receive calls directly on it, and if you swipe up to answer, you can see that we have all of the options including call recording, mute, add call, hold, keypad, speaker and the hang up option here. After that, you can also send and receive text messages on it. Then we have the browser, and you can use internet on it just like your smartphone. You can also add contacts in it, and you can also sync your Gmail contacts in it. Then in the clock application, you can also add alarms in it, and after setting the alarm, if you go to edit, we also have the ringtone option here. You can also select custom ringtones from media storage or file explorer. We have the vibrate option here. Other than that, we also have the clock option here, and here we have the world clock, and here we have countdown or timer. If you set it for 1 second, when the timer ends, it starts to ring. After that, as I showed earlier, you can also add songs inside it. Here we already have a song in it. Let's play it. So you can see that just like this, you can store and download songs in it. You can also add songs using Bluetooth in it, and you can use your wireless earphones to use it as an MP3 player. You can also record sound on it. It has 32 gigabytes of storage capacity, so it can even store hours of recording. We also have File Explorer just like any other Android smartphone, and you can access all of the files in it. Here we have the Google Assistant option, but it is not being supported on this watch. Here we have the calendar option here, and since it's Google Calendar, so you can also save meetings, and you can also sync your meetings from the Gmail account. Here we have Google Go, from where you can search anything directly. Then we have calculator, and since it's an Android watch, so all of the functions work absolutely well. We also have many other options here, as you can see. And we also have the compass application inside it, and when you're using it for the first time, you will also need to calibrate it. And these were all of the applications in the HK Ultra 1 Android watch. And using the Apple Shortcuts application, if you do the NFC tag test, then yes, the watch can also be used as an NFC tag. In the end, it is advertised to come with a battery capacity of 1000 mAh, which can be charged using the magnetic charger provided inside the box. If I talk about my personal experience, in my opinion, it was quite good. I've been continuously working on this video for about an hour now, and when I started recording, it was at 90%, and after 1 hour of continuous usage, it has gone down to 72%, losing 18% of the battery. Considering it's an Android watch, it's quite a good battery life, and just like this, it can easily give you 4 to 5 hours on continuous usage. And as you can see here, it is showing 1 hour and 40 minutes of usage since last full charge, which means it has lost 28% of the battery in 1 hour and 40 minutes of screen on time. So guys, this was all from today's video and from this HK Ultra 1 watch. What do you think about it? In my opinion, it's a quite good watch. It has a camera, then it also supports SIM card, and it is running Android, because of which you can install many applications inside it. This watch also comes with a great microphone and a speaker. We also have built-in GPS inside it, using which you can also use Google Maps on it. Other than that, it also comes with an AMOLED display and comes with a 1000 mAh of battery capacity. The battery also impressed me a lot, because even our smartphones easily lose 5 to 10% of the battery in an hour of usage, while this watch only lost 18% of the battery, and in total it has lost 28% of the battery with 1 hour and 40 minutes of screen on time, as I showed you in the settings. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the watch. You can also visit the channel for related videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.